Okay, today we have Ryna. She's gonna demo her Lego Friends rescue mission boat, which was over 940 pieces. This is super detailed. Ryna's gonna go through each room, each island, each animal, and everything else. Ryna, are you ready to go? Okay, all yours. Over to you. So show us what you got.
So this is the boat.
Beautiful.
This is the thing that brings up animals
Oh, nice.
from underwater,
Beautiful.
and the string brings it up and down
Okay.
like that.
Yeah.
This is the pool that the animal sits in when they try to help it and
Nice.
stuff. Here's the thing to move the raft.
Whoa,
Like
that
that.
just ships off into the ocean?
Yeah.
Nice.
Here is the thing where the captain sits in.
Okay.
And those are the two passenger seats.
Yeah.
They can sit there or they can sit like
Very cool.
here or anywhere else.
Okay.
Here is where the person who looks in the telescope goes.
Yes.
There are two other seats and here are two drinks.
Who's the drinks for? Daddy?
Huh? No, whoever's sitting in the seats.
Okay, got it. Oh, there's an underneath? Second floor?
Yeah.
Okay, what's under on the lower floor?
So here are their beds over here.
Okay.
Here's the bathroom.
Nice.
Here's the kitchen area, and here's Andrea on the laptop.
What is she
here.
doing? Yeah.
She's looking at a video being recorded.
Okay.
And then, yeah, that's for. Oh, here's
Beautiful.
the
And
medical
where-
center.
Oh, wow.
Where everything is.
Okay.
Here's the life jackets and stuff.
Okay.
Then
And where's the
over-
ship going?
To this island to rescue the narwhal.
Nice. Very nice.
Also, over here, there's a treasure chest.
Yeah?
That has lots of jewels in it.
Wow.
And when they come to the island here, they find a treasure chest
Huh.
that has a treasure map
Okay.
that's blank. But when you put it in water, it shows everything.
Wow.
Should I show
A
you?
secret map. No. Okay, beautifully done, Ryna. Thank you so much for this demo. We love this Lego set. And who do you have to thank for this Lego set?
Santa.
Thank you, Santa. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Ryna.